Some of the biggest qualities I looked for in my bank was customer service.
They were personable, they cared about my family and my business.
I need a bank that wants to help and not has to help.
They wanted to support me and give me the loan that I needed for my business.
Every business is unique and has different needs determined by the industry, economy, and the owner's vision. While many banks are too large to tailor programs beneficial to local businesses, Equity Bank, a community bank in Kansas, Missouri, and the Kansas City and Wichita areas, embraces the economic and industrial diversity between its many communities. Each of their banking locations has the freedom to embrace the community's different personality based on the primary business and industry driving the local economy. While one local community may thrive on tourism, another may be driven by agriculture or manufacturing, and still another might be focused on small businesses, a town square, and city government. Equity Bank has a diverse group of branch locations, such as its home base of Wichita, Overland Park, and Kansas City, but ranging east into Missouri in Sedalia, Warsaw, and west in Kansas all the way to Hays. Each location markets to different industries, and each branch has the autonomy to proactively customize marketing plans and programs to better serve the businesses and individuals in the local area.
We look at many opportunities trying to find the products and the services that our customers need and things that are going to be specific to our area. And when we look at those, we understand that they are looking for particular items. And in our case, we're a tourist area. We have a lot of people that are retired. Therefore, we have to market to seniors.
Giant banks have grown so large that their business plans are tailored to success on Wall Street rather than growth on Main Street. Businesses and individuals are forced to accept the one-size-fits-all service, and the little guy is often denied because a small business is just not big enough to fit the mega goals of the big banks.
When I needed a loan to help grow my business a couple years ago when the economy wasn't real great, a couple banks looked at me and just said I was too small to deal with. And Equity Bank was there and wanted to help me, and they gave me a great rate and have been tremendous on their service, and we keep growing our business, and that's a big part because of Equity Bank.
Equity Bank has grown to the optimum size where it can deliver on the savvy, service, and expectations of a big bank, yet still has that hometown feel. Although it provides services similar to a large bank, it is still easy to drop by and speak to a local banker, or just pick up the phone and contact a personal representative. Bankers are trained to have an entrepreneurial spirit, work hard, work quickly, and give their customers plenty of face time. When you have a small business or just want to grow individually, this type of personal care is very appealing.
The people that I worked with through Equity Bank were super caring. They really were interested in what I wanted, what I needed, and the other banks that I did go try to shop to, they didn't act like they cared too much. They weren't all about the business and all about the community. When
I was first establishing a relationship with Equity Bank, the branch manager, Sharon, here in Lee Summit, was willing to meet me at a gas station to pick up my paperwork, just to kind of help alleviate my schedule. She knew how busy I was, and I definitely appreciated that first outreach that she gave to me.
I think one of the things we're most proud of at Equity Bank is being able to deliver expectations of being a local community bank, but feeling like a metro bank for services for our customers. We do that through personalizing our contact with those customers. We do it through tailoring their needs. If a customer has a specific need on a loan issue that maybe a big box bank doesn't provide, we can actually schedule that, tailor that, and work with it to understand what fits them best.
Community banks, like Equity Bank, are the engines that are driving the comeback of the U.S. economy. They are able to support local industries, lend money, and lead the charge for renewed commercial development.
From a commercial standpoint, what we do, I think, that sets us apart is to be very responsive. Commercial customers, they want an answer. Time's money to them, so being responsive is very important.
Hi, how are you? Are we just depositing?
As part of embracing the local diversity of each community's economic engine, each branch and the Equity Bank staff participate and support the local area in different ways. The customers truly come first, and whether it's sponsoring a Little League team in one area or leading a local food drive in another, The bank and its staff volunteer and support whatever each community needs most. Providing trustworthy services and advice to families and individuals is an important goal for the bank. They take pride in the one-on-one approach where a banker can get to know individuals personally and help them stay financially healthy even during difficult economic times.
I think one of the main things that people like coming into our lobby is we have people there greeting them with a smile, and they know that someone's going to direct them to wherever they need to go for whatever product or whatever service it might be. And I think many times in metropolitan areas you don't know the people, and it gets to be where it's just kind of a number, and we work very hard at making sure that doesn't happen.
For a business, the bank can act as a trusted partner who is ready to lend, provide guidance, and focus on building the business quickly. The representatives listen to their customers and are empowered so that they can make quick decisions and keep things moving forward. Local bankers take the time to understand the business, cash flows, and investment needs, and are committed to providing the financial fuel necessary for rapid growth. When the customer needs a decision, the local bank president acts.
We look at a customer's needs, especially a business customer's needs, differently than others, in that most of our commercial lenders have worked for a bank and then left the banking industry for a few years and then come back to our bank because of our entrepreneurial spirit, but also our focus on small business.
Hearing the word yes from a bank can be the difference between a business growing, hiring, and expanding, or the local economy going stagnant. More and more community banks are becoming the banks that say yes to small and mid-sized businesses, and they are the ones helping fuel an economy that is coming back stronger. Equity Bank has a vested interest in the communities it serves, and as a result, they can be a trusted brand name bank with the feel of a friendly neighbor. For more information about Equity Bank, please log on to www.equitybank.com.